Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee, and as you all know, I am a booktuber, and present I am making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And in yesterday's topic, I made video on is it godly to help everyone, and in today's topic, I will be making video on earthly crimes versus sins. As you know, guys, this book is this big, and I cannot make this full book on one video. So what I am doing is I am making each and every topic in each and every video so that you people can understand. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. You can like this video, you can hit the bell icon so that whenever my new update comes, you can come to know, and even you can subscribe my channel for the new update. So I will start today's topic, and even guys, you can follow me on Instagram because I am always active on Instagram. You can ask me any question if you have in your mind. So I will start. Okay. 25 25th 4th 1981, 25th April 1981, earthly crime versus sins. The name of the topic is earthly crime versus sins. Okay. Many times we have heard and also said God help those who help themselves. This is absolute true. It is the real law of God Almighty. Yes, so Vipsi and Rato is telling one of the very important law of God Almighty. In this earth world, we often have heard this: those who help themselves, God help to them. So this is absolutely true, and this is one of the laws of the God, which Vipsi and Rato is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari in this book. Suppose you are on a lower realm but have the genuine desire to go to a higher level and truly try to improve. God will do his best to help you. Here Vipsi and Rato is telling, as I said you on the earlier video, there are 7 realms. So if suppose we are in the lower realm and we have a dream of going in higher realm, we have the thing to improve, we have our thing to do better things in life. So God will definitely help us to go on higher realm and do better things in our life. Okay, friends. God Almighty wants you to rise spiritually. He wants you to be really happy. So if you show a little inclination towards improvement, you will get a lot of help. Here Vipsi and Rato is telling God Almighty always want us to improve. God Almighty always wants us to be happy. So even if we see 1% also thing to improve, God will 100% help us, 200% help us. This Vipsi and Rato is telling. Many people on the lower level will say, I have harmed no one. I was a God fearing man and I never committed crimes. You may ever you may have never committed crimes, but you may have committed many sins. Here Vipsi and Rato is telling many people on lower realm often say that I was always a God fearing person. I never committed any crime in my life. But there is quite possibility if we have never committed any crime in life, but we have committed many sins, the reason for which those souls are in the lower realm. God is not concerned with the law of the people on the earth have made. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling God is not at all concerned by which laws the people have made on the earth. What is considered a crime in your world may not be a sin, and what is a sin may not be a crime. This is very interesting part. Here God is telling ki what there is many time possible according to in this earth world there may be many crimes, but according to God it may not be a sin or it may not be a crime. And in this earth world there might be many such good things. According to spirit world or according to God laws, it is crime and even a sin. So this God is telling you. For example, now Vipsi and Rato is giving an example here. It is not a crime to be selfish, nor it is a crime to show the world that you are a good soul when inside you are black as darkness. No, it is not crime, but it is a big sin. Here, Vipsy Rato is telling in this earth world, being selfish is not a crime. Even if we are a wrong person, if you do hypocrisy in front of other person that we are a good person, we are very nice, it is not a crime in this earth world, but it is a very big crime in the God's law and in the spirit world. So we should not never be selfish. We should always help other person. We should always show what we are. We should never be a hypocrite person. This Vipsy and Rato is telling in this book. So you see many of your crimes, the breaking of man-made laws are not sin. Here, Vipsy and Rato is telling whatever the human being made crime in this world may not be a sin in the spirit world, and whatever is sin in the spirit world may not be a crime in the earth world. Signing Sinning means breaking God made laws. Telling the meaning of sinning is making the God laws, whichever laws the God have made for us. Many sin are not counted in your world. He's telling that many sin, even which are not counted in the world, as he given the example of selfishness, and there are many one. As wrong, so people on the earth are mistaken about God's almighty real laws. There are many sins that are taken lightly and some that are not even thought of as a sin. Here Vipsy and Rato is telling many according to spirit law there are many crime and many sin which in the earth world is taken very lightly, so even people one time also doesn't think of committing that crime, because according to this law it is not a crime, so we think that it is not a sin according to spirit law. So isn't it better for the people on the earth to know which sin will put you on the lower level of the spirit world, which is your real home? So Vipsy and Rato is telling, so it is better to know which is sin and which will put us in the lower realm and which will take us to our real home. So this topic comes to an end, friends. As I said, the name of the topic was earthly crime versus sin. Our next topic will be you have to pay for your every sin. This will be the next topic which I will be covering in the next video. So friends, let me tell you, as I said earlier, this book is this long and I cannot make videos in a single video. I cannot mention all the things, so what I am doing is I am making part by part on each and every video, and this was our 14th video, and even I am giving a number in each and every video so that you people can understand which video is at what number, because many time what happens, you sometimes see 8 videos, sometimes 4 videos, sometimes 6 videos, so you confuse which video I have seen, which video I have not seen. So as I am giving number, so you can come number wise. So today you have seen 1, then 2, then 3. It will be convenient, you will be able to cover all the topics and you can understand. As I always say to you people, I always recommend this book because this book is very good, and this book is, I think, the essence of the life, and every human being in this world should read this book, The Laws of the Spirit World. And for more updates you can subscribe my channel, you can hit the bell icon, you can like this video, so whenever I update new videos, you come to know, because every day I update 1 2 3 as much as videos I can make for you guys, right? So this video comes to an end. Bye bye friends.